Pritam ji, there are so many
Yes, sir.
things that I have to tell you, but well, Sumit,
Yes, sir.
you have got right partner. Anubhavi Roy never gives up. Sometimes it happens na. Sometimes it happens if you are speaking something, samne wala doesn't have anything, but she always tries. She always tries. Very good,
That's
Anubhavi
good.
Roy. You,
Thank you.
the way you try, that's good. But one thing I have to say you that you have to admit the correct point. No matter your ego is getting hurt or whatever, but you have to admit that is the problem. You
Okay,
don't
sir.
you don't admit that point. Okay?
Good evening to ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all in this evening. Here we are discussing about the topic online shopping is good or offline shopping is good. So as you know that there is a two face of all the coin, and it's depend on us that in which phase we have to give the priority. Now here I want to give the priority for the offline shopping. Now here I want to keep some points to tell that why offline shopping is good. Friends, offline shopping is good because if we are going for buying offline or in market, then we can touch that material, we can touch physically, and we can connect with that material physically. But it cannot be in online shopping, because in online shopping we only able to see the pics or photo of that material what we want to buy. And here what the offline shopping is important, because see,
Nah, sorry,
we
sorry,
can make.
sorry, sorry. Is good, right? No, no, offline shopping, street shopping is good because we can
Yes, sir.
physically touch it, right?
Yes.
But nowadays we can't exchange our products in
Sorry, sorry.
offline
I was
shopping.
saying Kuldeep speak. Kuldeep was not your partner. I am so sorry. Huh? Anubhavi Roy speak.
Yes, sir. Nowadays we can't exchange the products in offline shopping. But in online shopping we can exchange. We can exchange and we can buy other things whatever we want. And on online shopping there are the security of the materials, and online shopping is also much priceless things, like we can buy in 500, we can buy 200 of any things, we can like clothes, accessories, anything we can buy in cheap price also. But in offline we can't buy in cheap price, because when shopkeepers have new models of clothes, accessories, they became the rates of accessories and clothes in high to buy the customer, but the price of accessories and clothes are low, but shopkeepers sell it in a high rate.
You are right.
So online shopping is a better, because if we see offline shopping is when we going for shopping, there are lots of crowd, there are lots of things, and we have spent more and more time to buy a one traditional cloth. But if we saying about online shopping, we have to buy, we have just for a minute, and whatever we want we can buy, and we have spend less time over there.
Okay. Sumit,
So
speak. At
Okay,
the point.
okay. Novi ma'am, here I want to tell that as you told that if we are going for buying on offline, so we
yes.
required lot of time because rush is there. Now here I want to clear that. See, for online, we first of all we have to order that, and then it will come in a week or in a 5 days.
No, in a
And
week not, in a
when we are
city
going
we
to buy, when we are going to buy offline, then within a 1 or 2 hour, if there is a rush, within a 1 or 2 hour, we
but
can go and buy that thing.
Sumit sir, we are buying in the cloth is with a high rate of that price, high rate of that price, and in online shopping we can buy in cheap rate also.
Ma'am, there is a lot of shops which you can get in a cheap price, but you have to search for it. As you are searching in
Yeah,
online,
that's the thing
then
I
also
want to say,
you
na.
have to
That's
search
the thing
for it.
I want to say, na. So, Miss Sir, that's the thing I want to say. Ki we can't buy single one thing in a traditional way. We have to spend more and more time in offline shopping. Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, Mahima, start.
Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Mahima Shukla, and we all know that the topic of debate that is which is best, online shopping or offline shopping. So, guys, here I am in favor of online shopping. So, I want to start the topic by tell you that what is the meaning of online shopping. It is a form of e-commerce which allows consumers to directly buy goods or services from a seller from or a seller over the internet using a kind of shopping apps like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, and so on. So there are some advantages of online shopping which I want to discuss here. But first, I want to ask the question. Uh, we all love to do shopping, whether it's online or offline.
Yes.
Do anyone know who is the inventor of online shopping?
Do anyone nahi? Your partner, Kuldeep, speak.
I don't know.
Very good. Speak, Mahima.
Inventor of online shopping is Michael Eldridge. He invented online shopping and he is from UK
19?
in 1979.
Very good.
So now moving forward to the advantages, I would like to say that online shopping takes less time, and it doesn't matter, and we don't need to dress up well to went to market for shopping. It takes less time, and we get whatever we want. But here we do here the seller of here nobody is there to force you to buy something else. If you want I want to say that by example I can explain. If you want jeans, so you can purchase it online without any interruption.
Okay. I was saying that in terms of genuineness, the offline shoppings are much better because you will get the genuine products. You can physically check that products if there is some wear and tear and some damage is there. You can't do check in that online shopping. We can get sometime a damaged product also, but there is a facility to replace that, but it will take some time. You can't do it suddenly, so it's immediately. Okay.
Kuldeep sir, you
And
are
if you
saying
buy something,
Hi, speak, Mahima.
sorry to interrupt you in the mid, but I want to say that you are saying that we can physically touch that item. Okay, but nowadays
physically
shopkeepers doesn't
check that.
allow you. Matlab, if we are talking about saris, then shopkeeper doesn't allow you to open it fully.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I am not. I have never buy that sari and all these things. I have just kept in my mind about the Reliance Digital Trends and all these things. You can go and check the product. Like if you are buying some mobile phone or a camera, you can check physically also. It
Kuldeep,
doesn't mean.
Kuldeep.
But in pandemic situation, we can't touch any cloth. We have to
Anubhavi,
see and
shut
buy.
up. If you
Yeah.
speak, I will remove you. It is not your team. Mahima, speak.
So I am talking about. I am not talking about only saris. I am saying that you said physically. You can physically touch or you can watch that. Matlab, you can.
In the online shopping, that first you have to trial your product, that clothes, shoes, accessories, then you have to buy.
No, it doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen a lot of time.
I don't think so. Like
Uh-huh.
I have never experienced these things. You just try first in online shopping and buy something. You
I
can
have
buy
experience,
first.
that's why I'm telling.
Okay, so I have not never experienced this thing. I know okay, you just book your online product and it you will get in 1 or 2 week. So I think this is the disadvantage of online shopping. In offline shopping, you can just pay it and buy your own product in hand to hand. So I think this is the advantage of offline shopping.
Very
Sorry.
good.
Very
Dhruv,
good.
speak.
Dhruv, speak.
Yes, sir.
Dhruv, done.
Dhruv, done.
Yes, sir.
Pushpan sir.
Pushpan, sir.
Okay, so to conclude this, I just want to tell you there are both sides. There are like there are so many advantages in online shopping, and there are so many advantages of offline shopping also. So I think that's all about our debate. So thank you so much.
Pushpendra sir.
Pushpan, sir.
Yep.
The point that you
The
have
point that you have spoken, so many people have already spoken. But there is no problem. But still,
if
No, actually, I'm favor of the online shopping. So I just forget all the point. I've prepared 7 or 8 point in online shopping, but suddenly I have to
Okay,
speak in
Sangeeta ji.
offline
Sangeeta
shopping.
ji.
Is totally against. Okay.
संगीता जी सुन पा रहे
संगीता जी सुन पा रहे हो?
यस सुन पा रहे
हो? सब लोग
सब लोग
Yes.
संगीता जी को सुनाएंगे भैया, ठीक है?
यस
संगीता जी speak.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी
हम्म,
टुडे टॉपिक इज ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग और ऑफलाइन
हाँ हाँ
I favor offline shopping. Offline shopping time consume, but there are so many options. What buy, what choose, what effective and beneficial for health,
Yeah.
wealth, and infrastructure, and quality purpose also. Offline shopping habits can be powerful and difficult to break. Physical store is often part of a common routine or even lifestyle.
very good.
Very good.
People are also to make more accurate judgment about product in a physical store. For example, buying cloth, shoes, perfume, jewelry. So immediate try bear cloth,
Yes,
shoes,
yes, yes,
Yes.
and chat out perfume and jewelry. But online shopping also so many options, but not decide immediately because the time seem good, but after delivery found out not good. So after that change facility, but betting for goods or other items. So thank you for
ये अच्छा सब लोग
listening.
तालियां
सब लोग तालियां बजाइए भैया इनके लिए.
Can also get a case on delivery by shopping. And firstly, we talk about the benefits of shopping online. First of all, it is that we get the desired product, was which sometimes we can not get that product in offline shopping, as
Yes,
we
right,
can get cheap, expensive, महंगा from there, and sometimes get discount on online shopping. Like there are some advantage of online shopping on like SBI card. So there are some disadvantage as well as. So if we talk about the loss, then the disadvantage is that if